There is nothing more festive than an ugly Christmas sweater. Today we're going to design this sweater, spoiler alert, effortlessly, and I'm going to show you how to make your designs come to life and have it delivered right to your door using Kittl print. If you haven't signed up for Kittl, use the link in the description and let's design together. Okay, let's start our ugly Christmas sweater design. By the way, I think ugly sweaters are actually cute, even the ugly ones, because I kind of love kitschy. But, I mean, what is beauty anyways, right? So we're talking ugly sweater. That means it has to be a knit style design. Let's be traditional here. Certain things, certain traditions can be touched. And one of them is the Christmas ugly sweater tradition. So let's look for knit elements. Kittl has a bunch of Christmas themed knitting illustrations, which are adorable. And you can create so many different patterns with all of this. So I selected some elements to start. Fun fact, this is my first ugly Christmas sweater ever because I grew up in Brazil and we don't wear sweaters for Christmas. We wear shorts and sandals because it's unbearable hot. So props to Kittl print for my first Christmas ugly sweater experience. Yay! I love it. I love Christmas. It's one of my favorite holidays. I love the music, the lights, the food. What do you guys typically eat on Christmas, by the way? I know in the US it's celebrated on the 25th. Latino families usually celebrate it on the 24th. And we have this huge feast with turkey, rice, and raisins in every food. A bit polemic because not everyone likes raisins. I love them. I want to have my rice with raisins every Christmas. Now, Kittl also has knitting fonts, which are really cute, and I'm using the wider one so the text will fit better. I already know what I want to write, and the text is definitely me. I swear, I will wear this sweater every Christmas, most definitely because I slay every Christmas. So, slaying this Christmas for sure. Let's transform the word Christmas. I chose the arc option in the transformation panel. To be honest, I don't want anything too crazy shaped because it has to give off that knitted vibes, And there is only so much you can do when you knit, right? I think. I don't know, maybe not. I don't know how to knit. I kind of started to learn during the pandemic, but it's an abandoned hobby. I want every element to have the same colors, basically because, well, again, I'm thinking as if I knitted this sweater. So if I have threads that are certain colors, those are the colors that sweater needs to be, if you know what I mean, right? Also, besides the text, of course, I want everything to look symmetrical. I feel like symmetry is a big characteristic of the ugly sweater design. So let's keep it symmetrical. All right, let's add more elements, a little Santa in the middle. Anyways, I was talking about holidays traditions, and it's actually incredible how we celebrate the same holiday in different ways, right? I know most of you will disagree with what I'm gonna say now because Christmas is a winter holiday. I know, I get it. Snow, hot chocolate, Christmas carols, it's a tradition. But I love a tropical Christmas. I do. And for a lot of people, it's how we celebrate Christmas. I would actually love to see a cozy Christmas movie in the heat. Give me some Christmas at the beach. Perfect. I would watch that. And it's actually how I rather spend all of my New Year celebrations. Imagine it's a new year and your first bath is at the sea and you're actually not almost dying of hypothermia. That's actually great. All right, back to the design. I added 2 really, really cute mistletoes and I'm gonna add some snowflakes to decorate. If you ever need to mirror an element, right click on it and then select flip horizontal. That's it. It's that easy. Okay, I'm making one last decor pattern. Pine trees with snowflakes on the bottom, really cute. I don't have a lot of space down here, so that'll be it, I guess. And it's done. This is my Kittl version of an ugly Christmas sweater. Love it. Now I can slay all Christmas. Okay, now thanks to Kittl, I don't need to get out of my way to turn this design into a real sweater. I can just print with Kittl print. First, I need to delete the background. Goodbye, beautiful green I chose for this design. You'll be missed. Now let's click the little truck icon on the top right corner. You can choose the type of product you want. I want a crew neck because it's more Christmas sweater-like. The design needs to be on the front, of course. Do not forget to make sure your design is centralized and inside the print area. This is very important, okay? Now, when it comes to the color, it came with the color black by default, and I just fell in love with it. Okay, I love the contrast. And when I tried the green, it didn't even look that good. In my opinion, of course. I mean, this is just personal. You know what? Forget the green. We're going black this Christmas, baby. Yep. Anyways, now choose your size and amount and add to your cart. Then go to your cart. Here's a product. Now click checkout and add all your information. And then you're ready to order. Boom, that's how easy it is. And this is the final result, you guys. I love it so much. The quality of the print is actually really good and it's really comfy. And I am ready to slay at the family Christmas party. I love it. I love the design. Of course, I made it. Now it's your turn to design an ugly Christmas sweater. Run to Kittl and start creating. And don't forget to share your creation with us. We would love to see what you guys come up with. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more design tutorials and design videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.